Let's DIY our favorite people call us Mimi in Tampa using the stencil method. If you don't have a Cricut but you do have a printer or a library where you can go print stuff, you can use this method. You'll need this phonto app. I'll show you how to download it, and then you'll get your font from here. Feel free to play around with how you search, and then you can type in exactly what you want and see how it looks and hit download. See that it says personal use is free, so you can use it for free. Now that you have Phonto as a downloaded app, you'll be able to select it when it asks where you want to install this. Then this screen will pop up. You'll hit install again, which will lead you to hit install again. And now you can use the font. Next, I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to go back to the main screen. In the top right corner, you hit that little picture, then hit plain images, which will lead you to select the black square. Once you get there, go down to alpha at the bottom, drag it all the way to the left till it's at 0. This will make the image blank behind it without having to remove the background in Cricut. Now that you have your transparent background, click the pencil in the top right. It'll bring you to this screen. Hit font on the right box there. It'll show you all your fonts that you downloaded. Type out what you want and then hit done. Now you can change the size, which doesn't really matter when you add it to Cricut, but it does look nice. Save the image as a PNG, then you can find it in your photo folder on your phone. If you want to do the stencil method, you're going to choose a white box, and you're going to style it with a black font, which you can select here. Now you save it the same, and you're going to print it out. Then you will flip it over. You're going to pencil the entire back of it until it's completely shaded with a number 2 pencil. Do it really thick so that you have enough to transfer to your board. Once you're done, you're going to flip it over to position it wherever you want it on your sign. You'll take either a pen or the same pencil and you'll start to trace out the printed ink area. Once you've traced all the way through, you can start to see here how it'll show up. It's pretty light. You'll go in with a permanent marker after you've traced over everything and begin to trace over that. It's a little more rustic looking. It is harder, so take your time. Here I'll show you in a minute what the difference is between the printer paper and then the trace paper. It's not as pristine, but if you have a steady hand and you take your time, you can really make it look nice, and you don't need a Cricut machine. Let me know what type of craft you use this on. Thanks for watching.